Hello everyone, we are going to check out chapter number 3, the king's condition. Take the things that belongs to a king. First, crown. Third picture, palace. Fourth picture, king's seat. Tenali Rama, the court poet of the king Krishnadev Raya of Vijayanagar, solved the gravest of problems by his wit and wisdom. He was loved by the king due to which the courtiers were jealous of him. So here we have a story of Krishnadev Raya, who was the king of Vijayanagar. He has been given a task to his courtiers and Tenali Rama has fulfilled the task. How the story is all about. King Krishnadev Raya is in a good mood. He gives each of his courtiers a bag containing 50 gold coins. The courtiers are thrilled. Just then, the king says, I want you to buy things with these gold coins within a week. At the end of the week, show me all that you buy. But there is a condition. Every time you spend a gold coin, you have to see my face. Now answer orally. Why were the courtiers thrilled? Here we have to come to know that the Krishnadev Raya was in a good mood and he has called all the courtiers and he has having a bag with the gold coins and he has told to his courtiers that I am going to give you to each gold coin and you have to spend it, but there is one condition. Every time when you spend the gold coin, you have to see my face. So what do you think? Why were the courtiers thrilled? The courtiers were thrilled because King Krishnadev Raya has given them gold coin and he has told to them that you can spend it, and while spending of each coin you have to see my face. Okay, now let's check out next paragraph. All the courtiers are very pleased. They leave for the market to do some shopping, but whenever they decide to buy something, they remember the king's condition. How can they see the king's face in the market? If they do not see the king's face, they cannot spend the coins. The courtiers are puzzled. Some of them stay in the market for the whole week. They think if the king himself comes to the market to buy something, we might get to see his face. Then we can spend the gold coins. So in this para we can understand that all the courtiers has went to the market and they decided that let's spend this gold coin, but all were puzzled that how can we see the king's face and spend the gold coin. So some of the courtiers went to the market for whole week to see the king's face and they thought that if our king will come in the market, then we can see his face and we can spend the gold coin.